Today we'll be testing out the new Maybelline Sensational Fireworks Mascara. This mascara promises to give volume and lift. So let's see if it works. This is what it's looking like. So let's see if it performs. Applying it to the bottom lashes as well. Let's apply another coat. So this is what it's looking like on this eye compared. So far this is what it's looking like. I would say it works, but for some reason I'm not wow by it. I'm not sure. Let me go and apply another one. This is going to be like the third coat to see. See if it. The more I apply it, the thicker the lashes get. It's also a little bit clumpy, but yes, it gives volume. Just a little clumpy. With the third coat, it's looking better. Like the more you apply, the longer and thicker the lashes get. Holding it horizontally to do the lower lashes. It's looking good, looking better than the first two coats that I have applied. What I will say about this mascara is that the more you apply it, the longer and thicker the lashes get. Let's try one final coat and see what happens. Wow, I'm messing up my eye makeup. So I'm going to clean up all of this, just going to let it dry a little and use a mascara brush. comb through it. So I'm going to use this mascara brush. To remove the mascara smudge, I let it dry, then dip a clean spoolie brush into translucent powder and brush the area. If the mascara didn't dry properly, like what is happening here, where it's messy, you can tap a light layer of hydrating full coverage concealer. Here I'm using Lancome concealer on the areas to clean it up. When your mascara smudge, it's best to let it dry properly. That way you can use a spoolie brush to flick it off without disrupting your makeup. Next, I gently press eyeshadow powder on top of where I applied the concealer on the eyelid. And apply hydrating setting spray. This is what it's looking like. Let me know if you would try this mascara, and if you have any questions related to this video, leave it in the comments below. Bye.